Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Back with me, DJ Lala, para sa ating programang Biyahe, ang programang Sakto, Klaro, Derecho. Unang stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Freedom ay ang kalayaan sa nakaraan. Love, I know that there are things and people in the past na naging dahilan as to why traumatized tayo in the present or paraning tayo sa kasalukuyan. But, love, we just have to learn how to let it go. Palayain mo na yung sarili mo sa sakit. Palayain mo na yung sarili mo sa takot at lalong palayain mo na yung sarili mo sa galit. Holding on to that grudge will never do anything good to you and it will only stop you from achieving your true happiness. Tandaan mo, mahal ko, the reason as to why hanggang ngayon sila pa din ang nananalo is because hanggang ngayon nananatili kang apektado. Always bear in mind that freedom to anything is a state of mind. You only need to will it at magiging part na yan ng past. Okay? Next stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Freedom ay ang kalayaan naman natin sa relasyon na hindi ka na masaya with. And I'm not just defining this happiness as yung shallow na thrill and excitement, like ang habol sa relasyon ay para lang maging masaya. The happiness na tinutukoy ko ay the one that even if walang ganap and others define it as boring, you see it as contentment. You see it as happiness. You see it as stability. Yan yung tinatawag kong happiness. If hindi mo na yun nararamdaman, if hindi mo na nakikita ang future mo with that person, and lastly, if you can no longer respect each other at the end of the day, I think we both know what to do next. Just let go, my love. Walang saysay ang ilang taong pinagsamahan kung tatapatan nyo ng habang buhay na bangayan. Sometimes, love, no matter how painful it may seem, the best way to love a person is to set them free if they are no longer happy. So kung nagkakasakitan na lang din kayo, go for the healthiest option to end things. Part ways. Okay? Now, love, tuloy-tuloy lang ang ating kwentuhan, but for now, paalala muna tayo sa mga love nating matigas ang bungo. Please! Gusto na nating matapos tong ECQ to, kaya please, seryosohin natin ang social distancing. Please, sumunod tayo sa utos ng barangay. And please, 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 huwag ka nang magpasaway. Okay? At tuloy-tuloy lang ang ating biyahe for tonight. Last stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Freedom ay kalayaan sa opinyon ng iba at dikta ng iba. Love, stop doing things just to follow a trend. Lalong-lalo na if you don't even truly believe in it. Yung iba kasi, makasabay lang talaga sa uso, makasawsaw lang sa issue, yan. Kahit hindi naman talaga nila tunay na iintindihan at nauunawaan yung mga bagay, ipinipilit pa rin nilang makisabay. Stop that, my love. It doesn't make you smart. Real talk, it makes you look so stupid. Alam nyo yung latang walang laman na maingay lang, nagiging ganun kayo. So do things right even if nobody is watching and even if nobody is following. And most of all, do things na gusto mong gawin even if no one approves of it. As long as it makes you happy at wala kang sinasaktang ibang tao, wala kang natatapakang tao, do it, my love. Free yourself from public opinion so you can live your life to the fullest. Okay? Sa mga love natin, dire-diretso lang ang ating conversation over at my Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Kasama niyo pa rin, my name is DJ Lala and you are tuned in sa aking programang Biyahe. Ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso, hatid sa inyo ng 90.7 Lover Radio, GBGB lang. Walang hate, puro love lang.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.